So here's how to find screenshots in Windows 11. Let's get started. First of all, you need to search for the snipping tool which will take the screenshot for you. Rather than that, you can use the print screen button to take your screenshot, but for my case, I'm going with the snipping tool. Alright, then from here, you need to tap on the new to take the screenshots. So let me just take a screenshot like this. And now if we just close this file, but the screenshot is being saved. So where is the screenshot? Let's just find out. First of all, you need to open up the file explorer. Alright, then from here you will see the pictures option on the left. So by default, in the pictures you will find a screenshot option. So then you need to go there, and as you can see, we got the screenshot. So here's the screenshot we just took before. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not. And have a really good day.